Talha from the UK.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
Sheikh, hope all is well. Sheikh, I wanted to ask you, when we ask Allah for pardoning of a sin and we ask for forgiveness, I was watching one of your videos where you said pardoning means that a sin is totally wiped from the record books. So I wanted to ask you, does that mean on the Day of Judgment, if someone commits a sin and they ask for pardon as opposed to forgiveness, if they ask for pardon, that sin won't be brought up at all at any point? Or if someone asks for forgiveness, then they may be held accountable, and that the sin they ask for forgiveness for will be shown if it's forgiven.
This is in Allah's hands, Azza wa Jal. There are those who will be held accountable, who will be questioned and interrogated for what they had done. Those most likely would be punished for their sins, because the Prophet said, alayhi salatu wasalam, "Man nuqisha al-hisab udhib." Whoever is interrogated and questioned about every single detail, he'll be punished. Then there is the display of sins, where Allah Azza wa Jal conceals that individual, shows him a display of what he had done generically, not in details. And he acknowledges it, fearing the bigger and major sins that he does not see. Allah is not questioning him, He's just displaying it to him. And then Allah says, I've concealed these sins when you were in dunya, and today I conceal them and forgive you. And He takes him to Jannah. The man says, oh Allah, there are many major sins I don't see, hoping that Allah would forgive that, and Allah laughs at that gesture and forgives all. Thirdly, there are those whom are not questioned, interrogated, and not shown any of what they had done. Allah Azza wa Jal gives them a pass. May Allah make me and you among them all. And these are the 70,000 of the Ummah that do not get any accountability and any torment on the Day of Judgment.